Remembering Hiroshima, 80 years later. On August the 6th, 1945, the city of Hiroshima was destroyed by an atomic bomb during World War II. The bomb was dropped by a US plane and killed many people instantly. Others died later from injuries and sickness caused by radiation. By the end of that year, more than 140,000 people had died. A second bomb was dropped on Nagasaki 3 days later. These two attacks led to the end of the war, but they also showed the terrible power of nuclear weapons. Since then, many countries have built nuclear weapons, and some still keep large numbers of them today. Over the years, some governments have tried to make deals to stop the spread of these weapons, but the threat has not gone away. In fact, some leaders now talk again about using them, which worries people around the world. When countries argue or go to war, the danger of nuclear conflict becomes greater. Today, Hiroshima is a peaceful city with many memorials and museums. Every year, people gather there to remember the victims. These events are not just about the past, they are a warning for the future. If we do not learn from history, the same kind of disaster could happen again. That is why remembering Hiroshima is so important.